I'm going to give you one super simple and effective tool that is going to allow you to change your subconscious patterns and change your life. Instead of focusing on and thinking about all the things that have gone wrong, all the things that aren't working out, all of the fear and uncertainty and doubts that pop up, or thinking nothing good ever happens to me, I want you to do the opposite. So take whatever thought or thoughts you have, and you're going to flip them. Create a positive thought that is the opposite of the negative thought. For example, if you're thinking, nothing good ever happens to me or nothing works out for me, you could say, everything comes to me in the perfect timing. If you're competing or working out and you're thinking, I'm never gonna get through this, or I didn't train hard enough, focus on the now of I can do one more rep, I can take one more step. And focus on affirmations you've already created, like I am strong and resilient. If you're doubting yourself and your abilities, you can create a statement that's something like, I have everything I need within me, or I am complete and I'm not finished. You can create an affirmation statement for anything. I highly recommend that you write them down every single morning so you can start to create new patterns in your brain. If you enjoyed this, follow me for more on mindset, wellness, and relationships.